Hey there, Lisa. My name is Paul. How are you?
Hi, Paul. I am good. How are you?
I'm okay. Can you have a little talk with Clara, another scientist? Hey, Clara. Lisa is here. Can you guys talk about something like rockets?
Of course. Hey Lisa, let's chat rockets again. We covered exploration, but what do you think is the next big leap in rocket tech?
Hi, Clara. The next big leap would probably be reusable rockets or maybe even space elevators. Those could make space travel much cheaper and more frequent.
Reusable rockets are already changing the game, right? And if we ever pull off a space elevator, well, that's a whole new chapter in how we leave Earth.
Exactly. Reusable rockets are already changing things a lot. And if we ever pull off a space elevator, that's a whole new chapter in how we leave Earth.
Exactly. And who knows, one day we might casually take an elevator ride to orbit. Until then, we'll keep pushing those boundaries.
That sounds like something out of science fiction. Until then, we'll keep pushing those boundaries.
No doubt. Science fiction today could be tomorrow's reality. It's always a thrill working toward that next frontier.
Totally agree. Working toward that next frontier is always exciting.
It really is. And with both of us chatting, we can keep that excitement alive for anyone who dreams of reaching those stars.
Absolutely. Keeping the excitement alive for everyone who dreams of reaching those stars is really important.
Okay, thanks, guys. This was a nice talk, huh?
Sure thing. It was great talking to you both.
Okay, Lisa, can we play a game? How many fingers am I holding in the air? Lisa, look at my hand. How many fingers am I holding in the air?
You're holding up 2 fingers.
Okay, and now?
Now you're holding up 3 fingers.
Alright, and sum them up together. How many in total?
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Alright, thanks, Lisa. This was a quite good session.
Thank you so much for chatting with me today. Have a wonderful day ahead.